We are going vlogging. Oh, not we're going vlogging. We're going camping.
No, we're not. This is literally we're going shopping.
We're going shopping for camping. Full disclosure, my nails are grown out. Like really grown out. Please ignore that for the entirety of this vlog. So we went to Trader Joe's and we got quite a bit of our list. So I got these peanut butter rice crispy bites. Ah! Wait, that's really good. And Sabrina is allergic. Wait, pretend to eat this.
Grab cardamom. I think I have cardamom. I think they're both the same.
I am here to provide driving and the funds. That's why I'm here. I don't know how to cook. I know how to drive, and I know how to pay.
Deal.
Should we get that?
What?
And that's
This?
it? And that's it?
Just get
Are
it.
you sure you have?
Ralph's is my mom.
Is this on that?
Okay.
Jolene.
Dolly Parton has cake. Blueberry almonds. That's interesting.
Sorry. Hi, and welcome to Estelle's vlog. We went to Ralph's and we got the rest of our stuff and some snackies. And now we are probably going to the stand to have dinner.
We are at the stand eating dinner. It's very funny.
Oh.
Wow, Sabrina, now do you want to show off your burger?
Yeah, first let me show off my ranch.
Oh, whoa, look at that ranch.
What if I dip my ahi tuna in the ranch?
What is your burger? Say it again.
I got an ahi tuna, but it's like a 2.0. I don't know what the 1.0 was.
That is on your pants.
That's on my pants.
What did you get, Caroline?
That's on my. It drips
Big
everywhere.
blue. With
I'm really
sweet
gonna
potato fries. Yum. What did you get, Sal?
falafel wrap.
Yay.
Yay.
Accents as you come say mountain without Layton, without the T's. So, but in Minnesota, it's a native to the state of Minnesota. Any word ending with AZ.
Wow.
We made a mansion!
Yeah, clearly. In the tent.
We're good at this.
This is a broken arm, but for some reason the guy is like really jacked. Like, I promise you, nobody on the Oregon Trail looked like this. So now we're going to give you a tour of the tent.
Welcome to my crib.
Good morning.
This is our mansion. This is the game room.
So like this is the kitchen too?
Yeah. And this is the entry. This is the door. This is to the outside.
Mm-hmm.
And then come along. This is my bedroom. This is also Caroline's bedroom. This is my bed. And this is my sleeping bag.
Do you have any input?
This is my sleeping bag. That's my pillow. That's my frog.
We are now practicing cocooning in our beds. There's Caroline. Caroline, where's your socks?
Over here.
Caroline just found a bunch of socks in her sleeping bag. And there's Estelle. Oh, she's already asleep. Oh, I can't reach. Do I move in?
Yeah,
Yeah, you move in. Move in. Move in. Move in.
Move in.
Go, go, go. Can't only so much time. Move in. Roll over, roll over, roll over. No, not necessarily. No, that's weird. No, I'm just... This is... Hold on. This is the new vlogging style.
This is... Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. Today we are, this is a sleep vlog, so...
We're caterpillars.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. This is day 1.5 because yesterday we went shopping. Today we're here in the camp and we're camping and we are cocooned.
Yeah.
Amen. And we're still waiting on Sab Danley to get here. And you might be like, how are we filming this? And you're never gonna know. What?
I'm biking and Elise is jogging and Caroline is also biking on my dad's bike, which is way too tall. I got my music and Elise's water. Oh, Caroline got her own POV going on.
Mile 1.
Elise is going on an adventure. She's coming back.
She's going to Barcelona, and we were talking about Spain earlier.
I fully just spilled that on myself.